Okay, happy Saturday. I'm just getting ready to mount my new Renogy 100 watt solar panel that I got, I don't know, Thursday or Friday, I forget. This is one of their newer models, and it's 100 watts. And this is the one, middle of the road one with 9 bus bars. I believe it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9. Split cells. And there's the back of it. Hopefully I'm catching that. I took a shot of the specs, make that easier to look at. And I've got to mount these brackets to the back side of it. And this is going to go back on the old satellite dish mount. So that's going to be easy. Put those 2 brackets back on. And in a minute, I'm going to go compare this to my old one that's going on 14 years old, Renogy. Still putting out just less than 1 volt open circuit on what the label calls for. And it was still putting out 5.4 amps. And that's going on 13 or 14 years old. I got that in December of 2012. The one that's mounted outside. So I'll take you out there in a minute, and I'm going to lay this one on top, and you can see the tremendous difference they've made over the years and how they build these things. So that's 13, 14 years old, whatever it is, outside, still working like a champ, so I bought another one. I think I paid $82 with that, with the Z brackets, which I may use on something down the road. All right, I'm going to take it outside and set up a shot for you. Alright, here's my old Renogy panel. You can see the design with 2 bus bars. And over here, hopefully, I can't see in the sun, but hopefully you can see all those micro cracks in the panel. But this thing is still putting out almost exactly what is stated on the back label, which is pretty damn impressive. Alright, I'm going to put this other panel up on top of it. I'm going to show you the comparison of the two. Okay, there's the new panel versus the old panel and old cell technology. Hopefully I'm catching this, I can't see the camera. And you can see it's about maybe 4.5 inches shorter. But the width is about the same. So I got to take this back inside, drill some holes to mount the brackets to go back on the old satellite dish pole. And this is going to be used to keep my truck's batteries at 1620 amps cranking. I want to keep them hot because they were not cheap. Alright, I'm going to get back to it and I'll show you what I'm done. But there's a comparison. Same wattage, smaller package. Okay, I've got the panel mounted. And I'm going to try to do a test of it, but I don't know how accurate it's going to be because we went from beautiful, clear blue skies, not a cloud in the sky, and the planes came in, and I don't know if you can see that. They're still spraying. Yep, and now we're just completely blotted out. But that doesn't happen. That doesn't happen. That's the new Tennessee law being well enforced. Alright, let me get back to the panel, and I got my meter over here. I don't know what we're going to see. Probably not much with haziness. But let me set up and give it a whirl. Alright, I'm going to try to catch this. It's hard to do everything by yourself. I'm going to try to get a reading. 22.5, I had 22.8 a moment ago. But the sky's being erased again. This 22.6. And we'll have to have a look at the spec sheet and see what it says it's supposed to be doing, but I think that's pretty close. .4, 24.3, so yeah, it's pretty close. Open circuit's 24.3, so we got almost 23. That's pretty close, and once again, the sun has been obliterated. So that's all I can do for today. Here we go, it's reading all by itself now, 22.7. And that goes over to this little cheap charge controller, which has been excellent. I had another one outside behind the solar panel going on 2 years, and I just bought 2 more. You can get these now for $7 a piece. It's just the PWM. Plenty to do this. And then I've got 2 810 cold cranking amps that I like to keep them hot because these batteries are not cheap. Alright, I think I'm going to wrap it up because this guy's just gone. So that's the new Renogy solar panel. I've been very happy with Renogy products. I'm gone.